As we step into 2025, camping enthusiasts are being treated to an exciting array of innovative gear and gadgets that promise to elevate their outdoor adventures. From high-tech solutions to ultra-convenient tools, Amazon is brimming with camping equipment designed to enhance comfort, convenience, and safety in the wild. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a weekend camper, these 15 coolest new camping gear and gadgets on Amazon offer cutting-edge features to make your time outdoors more enjoyable and stress-free. Get ready to discover the latest must-have camping essentials that blend technology with nature, ensuring your next trip is nothing short of amazing. Hogue EX F03. The Hogue EX F03 is a robust, versatile compact knife with a hawkbill blade crafted from durable 154cm stainless steel. At a blade length of 2.25 inches and an overall length of 6.5 inches, it's compact enough for everyday carry, yet tough enough for various tasks. The clip-point blade has a stone-tumbled finish and a hand-honed edge, showcasing Hogue's attention to detail. Solid black G10 scales with mini piranha texture provide a secure grip. The knife includes a nylon belt sheath with a rotating clip and a bolt-around neck sheath, offering versatile carry options. Overall, it's a durable, well-crafted tool. Arcturus Heavy Duty. The Arcturus Heavy Duty Survival Blanket is a versatile and reliable tool for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. Priced affordably at $22, this 60 by 82 inches blanket is made of durable nylon with a mylar reflective side to retain heat and a waterproof polypropylene layer for protection. Weighing only 1.4 pounds, it's lightweight yet rugged, with 4 reinforced grommets that make it easy to secure as a tarp, shelter, or thermal barrier. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or keeping in your car for unexpected situations. This blanket is a practical, reusable choice for anyone needing reliable all-weather protection. Portable water containers. The portable water container is a practical and durable solution for outdoor activities, priced at $37. Made from high-quality food-grade PE and BPA-free materials, it ensures safe and pure water storage. Its convenient design includes a 4-inch wide spout for easy cleaning and filling, plus a user-friendly faucet to control water dispensing with a simple press or lift. The included cleaning brush allows for thorough cleaning, while the lightweight, compact build and 2 handles make it easy to carry. Ideal for camping, road trips, or even family gatherings, this container can also store other beverages, adding versatility to its utility. Osprey Kestrel 48. The Osprey Kestrel 48 is a versatile, durable backpack perfect for multi-day hiking trips, priced at $220. Its airscape-ridged foam back panel ensures comfort and breathability, and the adjustable torso length provides a customizable fit. With a 3-liter hydration reservoir sleeve and an integrated removable rain cover, it's well prepared for various weather conditions. The pack also features a zippered sleeping bag compartment with a floating divider, a side panel zipper for easy access, and a load range of 20 to 35 pounds. At 3.59 pounds, the Kestrel 48 balances capacity and comfort, making it an ideal choice for adventurers. Nestout Outdoor Battery. The Nestout Outdoor Battery, priced at $55, is a rugged and reliable power bank designed for outdoor adventures. Equipped with fast-charging USB-C PD, it quickly charges devices like phones and tablets. Its smart power delivery feature allocates energy based on the device's needs, optimizing charging efficiency. Built with an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, it's ready for diverse weather conditions and can withstand submersion up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. The shockproof hard shell, tested to military standards, adds durability. A 1/4 20-inch tripod mount and modular accessories like the Nestout lantern make it a versatile choice for any outdoor enthusiast. Bug Assault Yellow 3.0. The Bug Assault Yellow 3.0, priced at $50, transforms pest control into an entertaining experience. This innovative tool fires table salt to eliminate flies and other small, soft-bodied insects within a range of 2 to 3 feet. The updated design includes a lifted barrel and partridge sight for improved accuracy and a light trigger mechanism, making it easier to operate but requiring careful handling. The cross-bolt safety ensures quick action while preventing accidental firing. Non-toxic and battery-free, it's an eco-friendly choice for keeping bugs at bay. However, it's unsuitable for stinging insects like hornets and requires responsible usage around pets and people. GOSUN Go. The GOSUN Go, priced at $150, is an ultra-portable solar oven perfect for camping, hiking, and off-grid cooking. Weighing only 2 pounds, it's easy to carry and ready for outdoor adventures year-round. This efficient cooker can reach up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and cook meals in as little as 20 minutes under direct sunlight. Its technology captures a wide range of UV light, ensuring reliable cooking even in winter. The set includes a durable glass stove, parabolic reflectors, and a stainless steel cooking tray. The GOSUN Go makes eco-friendly outdoor cooking convenient, with no fuel required. Just add sun. Thermacell MR450X. The Thermacell MR450X, priced at $35, is a highly effective mosquito repellent device designed for outdoor activities. With a compact, robust build and rubber housing for durability, it provides a protection zone of up to 21 square meters, repelling up to 98% of mosquitoes and similar pests. Its maintenance-free piezo ignition and silent toggle switch make it easy and quiet to operate, while the LED indicator ensures proper temperature function. Cordless and odor-free, the MR450X is an excellent alternative to sprays and lotions. EPA approved, it's safe, easy to use, and offers lasting protection, ideal for camping, hiking, or backyard relaxation. Military Compass. The Military Compass, priced at $20, is a durable and reliable tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Constructed with a metal base and cover, it's waterproof and shockproof, built to withstand rugged use in activities like camping, boating, and hiking. The liquid-filled dial ensures stable readings, and the level bubble improves accuracy. The compass features a sighting window with a reticle and an optical eyepiece for easy bearing tracking, while the 360-degree azimuth scale allows for quick navigation. It also features a glowing north arrow for night use and a conversion chart for distance and angle, making it a versatile and practical tool. Everfun Cooler Backpack. The Everfun Cooler Backpack, priced at $20, is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a practical and efficient way to carry cold drinks and snacks. Its high-density foam insulation and leak-proof hot-pressed PVA liner provide up to 20 hours of cooling with ice. The backpack features a roomy main compartment for beverages and a top compartment for dry snacks, along with multiple pockets for added convenience. Its durable, scratch-resistant ripstop nylon surface with waterproof coating ensures longevity, while the ergonomic design with padded straps makes it comfortable to carry. With a 30-can capacity, it's perfect for picnics, hikes, and travel. Titan. The Titan Deep Freeze zipperless welded cooler, priced at $144, offers exceptional cooling performance with its patented flip-open zipperless lid for easy access. It keeps ice cold for up to 3.5 days, making it perfect for long trips or outdoor events like picnics and tailgates. The deep freeze performance insulation and radiant heat barrier ensure maximum cold retention, while the removable leak-proof hardliner with smart shelf helps separate items to prevent crushing. Built-in microband technology protects against odors and stains. With its 100% leak-proof seal and durable exterior, it's a high-quality, easy-to-clean cooler for all your outdoor needs. BigBlue. The BigBlue portable camping solar charger, priced at $75, boasts an impressive solar conversion efficiency of up to 5.4%, offering reliable energy for small electronics during outdoor adventures. Its durable solar panels, made with a special polymer surface, withstand various weather conditions, though the junction box is not waterproof. Compact and lightweight, 1.5 pounds, it folds to a size of 11 by 6 by 1.4 inches, making it easy to pack in a backpack or emergency kit. Compatible with phones, power banks, and other small devices, it's a great option for camping or travel, though it doesn't store electricity or charge larger devices. Portal 8-Person Instant Tent. The Portal 8-Person Instant Tent, priced at $170, offers a spacious and convenient option for family camping. Measuring 12 by 10 by 78 inches, it comfortably fits up to 8 people with enough room for 2 queen air mattresses or sleeping bags. The tent's standout feature is its easy setup, taking just 1 to 2 people under a minute. With breathable mesh windows, a large mesh door, and a mesh ceiling, it provides excellent ventilation and a great view. Durable with water-resistant coatings and a detachable rainfly, it's perfect for all weather conditions. At 28.2 pounds, it's still easy to transport. Worksharp. The Worksharp knife sharpening tool, priced at $10, is a compact yet effective solution for keeping your blades sharp. With its diamond and ceramic sharpening surfaces, it quickly hones and sharpens any steel blade, ensuring your knives are always ready for use. The built-in angle guides provide consistent sharpening, making the process easy and fast. It also includes a bit driver with Torx bits, T6, T8, T10, for convenient knife hardware tuning. Ideal for on-the-go use, whether on a job site, camping, or on the boat, the durable, high-quality design ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for maintaining your tools in any setting. Nebo Luxtreme. The Nebo Luxtreme Cell 50 is a powerful rechargeable LED spotlight priced at $100. With a beam that reaches up to half a mile, it's perfect for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, and hunting. The impact-resistant aircraft-grade aluminum body ensures durability, while the IP67 waterproof rating adds reliability in all weather conditions. The spotlight features 3 brightness modes: high, 450 lumens, medium, 250 lumens, low, 50 lumens, with impressive run times. Its USB-C rechargeable battery charges in 3 to 4 hours, and added features like a magnetic base, reversible steel belt clip, and tripod mount enhance its versatility for various tasks.